Welcome into my kitchen sink. This year of the garden, 2 honeydews. I never grew honeydew before, so I don't even know if this is ripe or if it's overripe. So the only way to tell, and I had to pick them because we got a really cold night. It went into the minuses and I was afraid that it would damage the fruit, so I plucked it off. It's been sitting here for a few days now. So let's just cut this thing open and see what it looks like inside. It looks nice. Smells like a honeydew. Just a knife here. Oh, come on, Kim, you can cut a piece, can't you? I don't like that part. Tastes like a honeydew. It's actually quite sweet. Very nice. Wow. That one's a success. As I talk with my mouth full. So here's the smaller one. We'll both pick at the same time. Oh yeah. Well, that's something to be happy about. It beats the little itty bitty cantaloupe I got out of the garden this year. So I'll scoop out seeds, cut these into pieces, and store them in the fridge, and I guess I'll be eating honeydew for the next few days. Well, thanks for sharing my success story. Could have gone either way. Could have been disappointed, or it could have been this. So it's all good at the end of the day. Catch you later. Ciao, ciao.